Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Toyota Highlander Bluetooth. First, try restarting both your mobile phone and your vehicle's infotainment system. This simple step often resolves minor glitches. Next, confirm that Bluetooth is actively enabled on your phone. Finally, remove any existing Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and your Highlander's system to ensure a fresh start. These initial steps are crucial for effective troubleshooting. Now, let's repair your devices. Place your phone in discoverable mode, making it visible to your Highlander. Then, navigate to your vehicle's Bluetooth settings, usually found in the Audio or Setup menu, and select the option to add a new device. Your Highlander should then detect your phone. A pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm it matches to complete the connection. This process should establish a new, clean link. If the issue persists, consider more advanced solutions. Ensure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as older software can cause compatibility problems. Similarly, check if there are any available software updates for your Toyota Highlander's infotainment system. These can often fix known bugs. As a last resort, you might perform a factory reset of the car's infotainment system, but be aware this will erase all custom settings. To further diagnose, try connecting a different mobile device to your Highlander's Bluetooth. If another phone connects successfully, the problem might be with your original device. Always consult your Toyota Highlander owner's manual for specific instructions tailored to your model. It contains detailed information on Bluetooth setup and troubleshooting. And for more great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below. If all else fails, a visit to a Toyota service center might be necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.